guys, Kate from LOPO. Are you looking for nice looking durable tote bags and beach bags for sublimation? Today I bring you a series of products from different materials and prices and styles. Let's check out. Alright, now I'm going to introduce those 4 bags which we just got in stock last week. They're from different materials, different styles and prices, so I believe they can satisfy any customer with different taste. First, I'd like to talk about this beach bag. You know, I'm planning to go to the beach recently to have fun, and I want to take all of my blankets, sunglasses, and umbrellas and stuff. This big size just satisfies my need. And also, because those things are heavy, I don't want my shoulders get hurt. Those very soft cotton robes are perfect. And also, we can adjust the length through releasing this notch. So this is perfect because I'm short. I don't need this long. And I don't want my stuff to reveal. I don't want my everything to be seen or fall out. So I'd like those zippers. They go so smoothly. I love this kind of feeling. And they're made of very good material. They won't break easily. And inside, those soft inners are so good because I don't want while my drinks split, they won't just mess up the outer side. Those inners will keep them inside, so that's perfect. And also there is a big pocket for putting all of my phones and cars. This is so wonderful. So if you like this beach bag, you can purchase them through the link below. We can immediately send it to you. And next, I'd like to talk about those 2 sizes of linen tote bags. Oh, a little messy. These materials are my favorite because they're so soft to touch and the feeling and the look is so wonderful. The GSM is very high, so they are very durable. You can use them for a long time. And with this sublimatable part on both sides, you can sublimate your favorite pictures on them. And also, I'd like to take this one to work, library, anywhere I take them because they're so beautiful. And this bigger size, I can take them for grocery to put a lot of stuffs in it. That's just so perfect. And when I check out those insides, you can see those cross stitches to firmly hold the holders, and those lines are cleaned up so good because we have a sewing factory. So all of our workers are so experienced, they can make sure they will provide the best product for you and for us as well. So those 2 sizes will meet up your need. If you like them, also you can purchase them through the link below. Lastly, I'd like to talk about this fox burlap material. Different from the others, it's very light and very soft, so you can fold them into your backpack while you go to the library or go work, and when you need them, you just can't take them out. And this material is so good, and the stitches are firm, you can see, and the holders are also very firm. So the price is also very nice, which is the cheapest among all of them. So I think those materials, those bags will meet up all of your customers' needs. And let's see the printing result. Wow, the printing result is so vivid. Look at those coconut trees and those sea. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to grab my beach bag to the beach right now. And most importantly, they're both side printable. The image on both sides are very vivid, so you can print your beloved pictures on both sides. If you are from Europe, you can purchase through the link below. Otherwise, you can contact our sales and we can give you the information about the products. Also, we have a sewing factory that we can personalize all of your ideas into sublimation textiles. That's all for today. Join us. Let's make life memorable. Bye-bye.